To do CNC machining, we need to write programs to let the machine move. When the tool moves, it is used the coordinate system, which is right-hand Cartesian coordinate. Let's take out the right hand. Your thumb is the x-axis. Your index finger is the y-axis. Middle finger is the z-axis. The direction of your finger pointed, it is the positive direction. And there is actual 6 axes. The axis goes around our thumb is a-axis. The axis goes around the y-axis, it's b-axis. The axis goes around the z-axis, it's c-axis. Now the XYZ axis needs to be combined with the coordinate system of CNC machine. First, define the z-axis. Next, the long axis is x-axis and the short axis is the y-axis. The direction of the spindle movement is z, and the direction of the tool moving away from the workpiece is positive. Then we define the long axis to be x-axis. For the turning, it's only 2 axes. So first, we define the z-axis. As you can see, the direction of tool movement, move away to the right, is the positive to the z-axis. And we define the long axis to be x-axis. So for the turning machine, we only have z and x. This is the definition of the coordinate system.